こんにちは。
Wait, no. Hello. This is a crash course in everything you need to know about soldering. As the soldering god, I demand that you foolish mortals be educated on the 10 commandments of soldering. Number 1. Thou shalt not touch the tip of the soldering iron unless thou lusts for death. Don't do that. Number 2. Thou shalt grab thy wires with tweezers and not with thy toes. That's what you get. Number 3. Thou shalt not leave thy soldering iron on whilst unattended. Please don't do this. Number 4. Thou shalt not eat thy solder. Lesson learned: it does not taste good. Number 5. Thou shalt not inhale thy fumes of thy solder. It was at this moment Uchichi knew. He messed up. The fumes are poisonous and can seriously harm you. No cap. Number 6. Thou shalt not impale thy soldering partner with thy solder. If video evidence of the stabbing got out, I will not be able to go to college. So next commandment, Lameo. Number 7. Thou shalt scrub thy tip after use.
Yes, Jesus loves me.
Ha 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 ha. Number 8. Thou shalt wear thy safety gear correctly. Number 9. Thou shalt keep thy attention on thy soldering gun. This commercial is brought to you by OSHA Incorporated. In OSHA's Technical Manual, Section V, Chapter 3, Part R, Soldering and Brazing, it recommends that soldering in confined areas, such as a classroom or makerspace, require portable local exhaust ventilation to remove any hazardous fumes that may be produced. And that's on period. Number 10. Thou shalt not touch thy solder.
Are you serious?
Ha 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 ha. Here is a quick tutorial on how to solder. In the tip of the soldering gun, touch the thing you want to solder with the solder. Boom, solder. Thank you, goodbye.
To the one, to the three. I like good pussy and I like good trees. Smoke so much weed you wouldn't believe, and I get more ass than a toilet seat. 3 to the 1, from the 1 to the 3. I met a